Here are the 2 fastest ways to lower your blood glucose levels. I'm going to tell you the 2 quick ways first. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this permanently. Number 1, move your body after you eat. The majority of the glucose from the food that you eat is supposed to go to your muscles, and your leg muscles are the biggest glucose burners in your body. When you get them moving, they start pulling the glucose out of the bloodstream right away. And number 2 is so simple, and that is why many people miss it. Hydrate properly. When you become dehydrated, your blood glucose becomes more concentrated and much harder to control. Drinking enough water helps your body move glucose through the system and clear it more efficiently. A good rule of thumb is 35 milliliters of water per kg of body weight per day. Now here is the real difference between quick fixes and lasting results. Dropping your blood glucose in the moment is helpful, but fixing it for good means reversing insulin resistance. And that only happens when insulin levels quit being consistently elevated through the right daily habits. Hit the follow button and comment part 2, and I will share 5 ways you can control your blood sugar levels naturally.